ultralight sun shields, as we call them. Super thin mesh. Pretty much the lightest weight design we make. Someone you can wear during the day, not die from having a hood on. So yeah, just kind of each one of them gets hand cut custom based on the fabrics and the way they'll lay together. If you want to show fabrics there, those are sequin ones. Over here is pre-cut ones. Just quickly moving them. Right there is pre-cut hoodies. So I'll take one of those and then lay it over a big piece, and then under the table here you'll see all the. Okay, good. See, keep moving on that. And then over here you'll see all the fabrics over here. Furs. Yeah, so the world is my workshop. I work outside sometimes, set up temporary tables. Here. From here, paired fabrics get rolled, pockets get cut separately, and Velcro sewn on. Pockets get inserted at the end. And take these over to one of my sewers. The amount of orders they get, you can't tell them this. That is the process. They go from fabric, 2 big pieces of fabric, or a fabric, or two already cut that I just line up and make sure the fit's going to be right when they're done. And then they get dropped off. Stardust babies are made. And then they're sewn by machine.